Hi, this is Dee with Keep It Tight Sisters, and today I'm introducing you to edible flowers. Now, a lot of people are surprised to know that a lot of flowers are edible. And these flowers that I have actually came from Whole Foods, and they're mixed edible flowers. And some of the flowers that are in here are rose petals, chrysanthemum, lavender, geranium. And at home, we tend to eat a lot of the hibiscus flower. We use and make hibiscus tea, hibiscus beverage, and also we just chop the flower up and also use it as garnish. So what am I going to do with these? They are going to be used in salads, and they can also be used to garnish your food. Just to show you, let's see what this one tastes like. It also has, again, it's a whole flower with even the buds here. This one is sweet with a little bitter aftertaste. Let's see what the rose tastes like. This one is good. This one is good. I believe you could probably also add this to sandwiches with your turkey or your roast beef or anything that you want to add a little bit of zing to. And girl, go uptown, get sedity, get bougie, and add some edible flowers to your spring and your summer brunches, your potlucks, and sometimes also you can just go ahead and do it just because. These also can be brewed for a delicious tea. So, edible flowers, if you don't want to go out in your garden and pick the ones that you have, some of these are already harvested for you. This cost, I think it was $3.99, which was a very reasonable price to just say, I tried some edible flowers today. So introducing you to new things that you can use in your kitchen, in your recipes, and so have a good one. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, and I'll drop some more information about using edible flowers.